What's the meaning of biogas? Biogas. Biogas.
Biogas. Biogas. Biogas refers to a type of gas that is generated through the natural process of anaerobic digestion, which involves the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. Biogas typically consists of a mixture of gases, including methane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, and traces of other gases. It is considered a renewable energy source because it is produced from organic waste materials such as agricultural waste, municipal solid waste, and wastewater, among others. Biogas can be used for a variety of purposes, including heating, electricity generation, and transportation fuel. Its use can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and dependence on non-renewable fossil fuels.